You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. And today we're going to talk about the 101 multi-game card for the Super NES. And yes people, I reviewed the American version before, and now we're going to talk about the European version. Yes, there is also now a Japanese, a European and an American version. And I really love this multi-game card, so let's plug it in my original PAL system and let's see if it even works. Because it is very important that we, with a non-region free or clone console, can just play it like an original game. So, let's go! Oh, yoo-hoo! Welcome back people, welcome back. I've plugged in the cartridge in my original Super NES and it works just fine. And it fits in perfectly, so that is all very important. Yeah, let's go to the list. For the people who didn't see my 101 American version, and exactly the same games, only a few games are not working. I cannot remember what it is, but there were about 2 or 3 games that were not working on the PAL system. Okay, yeah, a lot of good games are gone, a lot of expensive games. King of the Dragons, Mega Man X and 7, Team Mutant Ninja Turtles, Fighters and the beat 'em up game, Rock and Roll Racing, Super Chinese, whoa, so I was not waiting for that one. Even the Tetris and Dr. Mario version. Yeah, really nice. Let's do some gameplay people. We're going to start with Wild Guns. Sorry guys, I really love this game. Also did a reproduction video about this one. It's a really expensive game to buy. That is one thing for sure here. I don't know how expensive the game is in Japan or in America. Leave a comment. I really love to know. Because here in the Netherlands this game is crazy expensive. Goes around 120, 150 euro. Okay. I'll do a little bit of gameplay, but it seems working like the original one. Whoever played this game, Bob is awesome. It was also released on the Mega Drive. Love the soundtrack. So really awesome. There are also micro scenes on this game console of a game cartridge, so yeah, multi-game card. One thing is for sure, I need to clone my original controls because they play really, really horrible. Yeah people, let's go to the final conclusion. I know enough about this cartridge. Yeah people, for the final conclusion about the 101 multi-game card for the Super NES PAL. I really love it. Like the 101, yeah. The American version is exactly the same card. Some games are not working. Maybe I can figure it out which one and I will drop it in the comments. Or did you find it? Please leave it in the comments. Now, it's a great collection of games, but they are missing out a lot of great titles, like the Street Fighter series. Where is Street Fighter? So that is a little bit disappointing. We got Mortal Kombat, Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3, there was no Mortal Kombat 1 and 2. So the 101 is not perfect. It got a lot of great games and yeah, if you buy in a PAL version, you don't want to spend a lot of money of buying original expensive games. maybe this is a way of playing all your favorite games again.